Understanding Take a Rain Check, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, take a rain check. This expression is widely used in social situations, but what does it actually mean? And how can you use it correctly in your conversations? Stay with us to find out. Take a rain check originates from baseball in the United States. In the past, if a game was postponed due to rain, ticket holders were given a rain check, a voucher that allowed them to attend a future game instead. This practice has evolved, and now the phrase is used in everyday language. When someone says they want to take a rain check, they are not talking about weather or baseball. Instead, they mean that they cannot accept an invitation now, but they would like to do so at a later date. It's a polite way of saying, not now, but let's do it another time. Let's look at how to incorporate take a rain check into your conversations with some examples. When declining an offer, I'd love to join you for dinner, but I'm swamped with work. Can I take a rain check? Requesting to reschedule. Your party sounds fantastic, but I'm out of town. Can I take a rain check and celebrate with you later? Notice the structure. It's often used with can I or I'll have to politely decline an offer while expressing interest in future plans. While take a rain check is a polite way to decline an invitation, it's important to use it sincerely. If you have no intention of accepting the offer later, it's better to decline politely in a different way. This ensures clear communication and maintains good relationships. Take a rain check is a useful phrase for postponing plans politely, with the implication of meeting up later. Like in baseball, it's about getting a second chance to engage in an activity or invitation. We hope this guide helps you confidently use take a rain check in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.